In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do world slash in Sakura stand. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Among all of the Jujutsu Kaisen characters in Sakura stand currently in the game, none of them will have the explicit world slash. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to do Dismantle, which is the closest thing currently in the game. So Dismantle is a combo that you can do with a cooldown of 10 seconds as long as you are playing as Sukuna. So it is part of his moveset. As you can see, the Dismantle combo can be done by pressing E. This will allow you to throw a Curse Barrage and launch an X-shaped projectile. This makes you go backwards and it deals a total of 43 damage with the bleeding damage included. And like I said, this is the closest thing to the world slash currently in Sakura's stand. So all that you have to do is press E while playing as Sukuna and you will be able to do this method. Now, of course, a lot of the Jujutsu characters have different movesets and other abilities adapted from the manga and so on, and I'm gonna show the full moveset on screen. So for Sukuna, you will have regeneration by pressing Q, you can do the curse combo by using the left mouse button, Head Crusher with R, Flame Ballista with T, Cleaving Barrage with Y, Counter with G, Domain Expansion with H, and you can pose with P. You will have some quotes, and all that you have to do, like I mentioned, is to do Dismantle by pressing E. This will allow you to throw the Curse Barrage, throw the X-shaped projectile, make you go backwards, and it is going to deal roughly 43 damage with a little bit of bleeding damage included. So just make sure that you are playing as Sukuna by using Sukuna's fingers on Itadori, and you will be good to go to use the closest approximation of World Slash. I hope I was able to help you on how to use World Slash in Sakura Stand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.